Hello students, let's see the question of JEE Advanced 2022. In this question we have to find out the percentage of hydrogen of the product which is formed in this reaction. So first of all we have to know what is the formula of this product. So first of all we have to know what is our product. So let's find out the product, the structure of that product. We know when chlorobenzene react with concentrate NaOH and at very high temperature, that is 623 Kelvin, as well as very high pressure, that is 300 atmosphere, then this chlorobenzene gets converted into phenoxide and after that in phenol. So after that it will get converted into phenol. And when we treat this phenol with concentrate H2SO4 and concentrate HNO3, then we will get picric acid. So the structure of picric acid is like that: OH, NO2, NO2 and NO2. Because OH is ortho and para directing group, that's why each ortho and para position of phenol will be occupied by NO2 group, because OH is very strongly activating as well as OP directing group. So our final answer means our product Q, that will be picric acid. Picric acid. And the structure of picric acid is like that: ortho and para position of phenol will be occupied by NO2 group. Now let's see what is the molecular formula of this picric acid. The molecular formula is, how many carbon are there? That is 6. And how many hydrogen? 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen and 3 hydrogen, C6H3. And how many nitrogen are there? 1, 2 and 3, N3. And how many oxygen are there? 2 to 4, 6 and then 7. 2 to 4, then 6 and then 7. So that is the molecular formula of this compound picric acid, and we have to find out percentage of hydrogen in this compound. So how can we find out the percentage of hydrogen in this compound? We have to find out molecular weight of this compound. So what is the molecular weight of this compound? The molecular weight of this compound will be like that: how many carbon are there? 6. So 12 into 6 plus hydrogen are 3. So 3 into 1 plus nitrogen are 3. So 14 into 3 plus 16 into 7. 16 into 7. We can calculate the molecular weight of this compound. It will be that is 229 gram. We know what is the weight of hydrogen in this compound. That is 3 into 1, that is 3 gram. So 3 gram hydrogen is present in 229 gram. We have to find out percentage, that's why we have to find out how much amount of hydrogen is present in 100 gram of this compound. So it's very simple. If in 2 to 9 gram compound there is hydrogen, that is 3 gram. So in 100 gram compound, hydrogen will be 3 divided by 2 to 9 into 100. So it will become, that is 1.31%, approximate 1.31%. So our answer will be 1.31%. 1.31% hydrogen is present in this compound. Thank you.